Today let's make tasty Mangalorean style bean sesame upkari. Very simple. In a blender, add some mustard seeds, add in dry chilies, and add in some grated coconut and blended coarse. Don't add any kind of water. Keep it aside. In a kadai, add in some mustard seeds, add in some urad dal, curry leaves, and hing, and make this tadka ready. Very simple, very easy, yet flavorful and very healthy as well. This is that kind of recipe where you will love it and want to eat extra rice with it. Once our tadka, the curry leaves is mixed well, add in the chopped beans, and then I'm adding in some salt, turmeric powder. Next, I'm adding in some jaggery for that balancing of the taste. Give it a good mix and just cover it with the lid at least for 10 minutes. Honestly, being abroad, I completely miss my home food. So that's the reason I try and make my home food so that I don't miss it. Next, I'm adding the coconut mixture which we blended it previously, and give it a good mix. See to that the coconut and the beans is evenly cooked. There is no any kind of lumps anywhere. Give it a good mix, and then again check for the salt at this stage. And yeah, your tasty bean sesame upkari is ready to serve. You can have this with some hot rice, rasam. What else you need? Such warm, nice, homely food. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share, and follow.